Hey everybody, I'm Forrest, Senior Product Specialist here at Life Assist and former paramedic. And today I'm excited to talk about the S-SCORT 3 Portable Suction Unit. But before we get started, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications for more videos like this. First responders know that patient airway maintenance is a high priority. Blood, sputum, and various other fluids can interfere with airway patency, causing aspiration and hypoxia. Expeditious suctioning not only protects the airway, but helps deter more serious maladies in the future. The S-SCORT 3 is a rugged yet easy-to-use suction system. Its canister, motor, and battery are housed inside a foam core with a vinyl-coated nylon, protecting it from day-to-day rough handling in busy EMS systems. At just 7 pounds, this compact yet powerful device pulls more than 30 liters per minute airflow and has two negative pressure settings of 525 and 125 millimeters of mercury, making it ideal for both adult and pediatric patients. Designed for ease of use, the S-SCORT 3 features an easy access on-off switch, 2-position regulator adjuster, and charging port. Its casing also has several pouches for suction supply storage. With a runtime of 30 to 45 minutes on a full charge, battery recharging is easy with the included AC/DC charger and DC power cord. Arriving ready to use out of the box, maintaining this device is simple and cost-effective. Replacement parts are minimal, inexpensive, and easy to swap out. Clean and disinfect by simply discarding the canister and the suction tubing after each use and wiping it down with any standard disinfectant wipe. Well, that's a look at the S-SCORT 3 Portable Suction Unit. Remember, delaying suctioning never improves a patient's outcome. For more information on products like this, please make sure to visit us at www.life-assist.com. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you next time.